Guys, welcome back again to Obelili Family TV. Guys, I'm in my kitchen doing my morning routine. Today, I'm going to be making fried egg and the bread and tea. That is what I'm going to be eating this morning as my breakfast. So I'm doing it as my morning routine. You can see I'm cutting my onions and my tomato. So right now, you can see I'm prepared. All these are ready. So I'm going to be frying it right now. So stay tuned and watch the video how I prepare this my breakfast and my doing my morning routine by preparing my breakfast. So after preparing it, I'm going to be eating it. I'm going to be drinking my with tea and bread and the fried egg. So guys, you can see where I'm mixing my egg. So my egg is ready to go to the fry pan. Now you can see I'm frying it. So if you want to find out how I prepare this and how I do it, just stay tuned and watch this video to the end. And don't forget to subscribe if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also follow us on the Facebook page, Obelili Family TV. God bless you as you do so. We love you. God bless you. Stay tuned. And don't forget to also support us in the membership. Join up our membership. Thank you. I want to prepare a breakfast, my morning routine. I want to make fried egg, tea, and bread. This is what I'm going to be eating this morning. So I want you to come with me and see how I prepare the breakfast. So guys, this is Obelili Family TV. If you never subscribe to our channel, please kindly subscribe to my family channel, like, and also support us in our membership. So here is my kitchen. I'm in the kitchen right now. So I'm about to prepare my breakfast. So I will first of all cut my egg. This is my egg. I have already started doing it. This is my frying pan. So come with me and see how I prepare it. After I have taken the children to school, so I have to come back and do my routine so that I can be able to put something for. Okay, guys, let's go, guys. Let's go. Let's go. Hello guys, so after cutting the onions, pepperoni, and mix the egg with which is I put salt and the pepper. So let's go, let's fry the egg and make the breakfast. Guys, this is my morning routine. I just want to do this. So join me, let's fry it. Obelili Family kitchen. We're there in our kitchen, live and direct, guys. So right now my frying pan is on the iron. I have to add my oil. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my routine this morning, and I have finished making my fried egg, and I'm about to eat, drink my tea with my bread. So I would like you to join me. Let's enjoy together. Let's eat together. Guys, it had been long. I haven't eaten this kind of food. I decided to make it today so that I will enjoy myself. You can see it. So this is my bread. I want to put the bread. I will also make my tea. So guys, stay tuned and watch the video and enjoy the video. God bless you. I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye.